In this video, I will show you how to automatically send a file as an email attachment on a recurring schedule using Power Automate. As an example, we will set up a flow that runs every Monday and sends a test Excel file stored in SharePoint as an email attachment via Outlook. This is perfect for automatically sharing weekly reports without any manual work. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate. Open Power Automate and click on Create in the left menu and choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example Send Weekly Report. Step 2. Configure the recurrence schedule. Set the flow to repeat every 1 week and select the day you want it to run. In this example I use Monday, but you can choose any day that fits your situation. You can also set a start time if you want the email to go out at a specific time. In this example I use 7:30 a.m. Click Create to continue. Step 3. Add the Get File Content action. Click the plus icon to add a new step and search for SharePoint. Select the action called Get File Content. Enter your SharePoint site address and select the file you want to send. In this example we use a test Excel file called weeklytestreport.xlsx, located in Shared Documents in SharePoint. This action retrieves the actual content of the file so it can be attached to the email. Step 4. Add the Send an Email action. Add a new step and search for Outlook. Select the action called Send an Email v2. Fill in the To field with the recipient email address, add a subject, and write a short message in the body field. In this example I use Weekly Report as the subject, and a short message letting the recipient know the report is attached. Step 5. Configure the email attachment. In the Send an Email action, click on Show Advanced Options to reveal the attachments fields and click on Add New Item. In the Name field, type a name for your attachment. In this example I use weeklytestreport.xlsx, but you can choose any name you like. Make sure to always end the name with the correct file extension. For example excelfile.xlsx, for pdffile.pdf. Then set the content field using dynamic content and select file content from the Get File Content step. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Click Save to save your flow. Then click Test, select Manually and click Run Flow. Check your inbox to confirm the email was received with the file attached and that you can open it correctly. You have now built a flow that automatically sends a file from SharePoint as an email attachment on a recurring schedule using Power Automate. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial.